Alright, so I just want to show you what the bottom of the deck looks like. Real nice right there. It looks better than what it did, and that's going to help prevent it from rusting in the future and give it a little bit longer life. Alright, so I'm looking at the hood of this John Deere. I'm going to try to get some of these scratches out, using some rubbing compound and polishing it and trying to make it look nice. Here's my progress on the John Deere mower. I was able to get all that white paint splatter off the front and kind of gave it a detail. I'm still waiting on my bearings and my blades to come in, so I didn't have anything else to do, but she's looking pretty nice right now. We already know she runs, so I'm also waiting for the deck to finish drying. I got it over here in the sun. That looks real good. And you already saw the underside of it. Bearings finally came in. So this is the bearing I'm gonna put in there. You can see same size and everything. First thing I'm gonna do is pop this little rubber deal off. The seal. There we go, just like so. And inspect it. Looks like it's got grease in it already. We'll spin it. Oh yeah, that's smooth. Compared to the old one, no good. So this is real simple. This goes like this. So we're gonna drop that in there. Put the spacer on there. That right there is already cleaned out from that other junky grease that was in there. We'll put that in there. And that's it. Press down. I'll put that on top. Okay. Figure out a way to get that on there. Alright, so I gotta get this down. So I'm gonna do this old fashioned way. I'm just gonna use a little bit of muscle. I'll put the spindle on there, put the nut on there. Okay. I'm just gonna hold on to the bottom right here, give him a little crescent wrench, and just start spinning it. Oh, I like that. Still waiting on the blades to come in, but look at this. This is nice. I'm also going to put some grease in them, but look at that. That is nice. This is the old one. This is the one that got the new bearings. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to start assembling it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the chute on. Alright, that's the chute. Next we'll go ahead and put on the bracket that holds the PTO cable. Right, next is going to be your fixed pulley. We're going to get this one started. Don't get it tight right now because you're still going to have to run your belt through it. Right, next you can put the spindles on. Make sure that your greaser is pointing out or a direction where you can easily get to it. Alright, so that's what we'll do is put this idler pulley on there first. Alright, so the next part, you're going to get this brake right here. It goes on the, I guess the right side spindle. You're going to undo this nut right here to take this little connecting rod off. You're going to get one spring this little washer looking thing, and this cup washer. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick your brake in there. You're gonna stick your spring in here, like that, over that hole. Put the brake, this washer, flange, whatever you want to call it. Get this cup one. This in a step. You'll want to hook it around the brake right here. Cup washer there. Get the screw. Screw it down. Alright. Should be able to move it. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get this deal, little connecting rod. You're going to drop this in here, just like so. You got to get these threads back in this hole right here. Okay, so line it up like that. Bring this in. Once it's like that, get your nut. Like that. Work it in. Right? And you can adjust it. Alright, so basically you want to do the same thing with the other side. What you're going to do is get your brake that goes like this. You're going to want to take the nut off. Set it off to the side. So that's going to go like that right there. You want to get your spring, your other two washers, and your bolt. And we're going to start by putting the spring right there, dropping it in its hole. Okay, so it's going to look like this. I'm going to drop this down in there. Set this there. That should be able to move. It does. You want to get your connecting rod. Drop it in there, like that. Pull this right there. Stick it through the hole, forward, get your nut, put it on the other side. Alright, once you get the thread sticking out right there, you can start your nut up and just make it up. And this is just an adjustment nut. You can adjust it to whatever length you need to be able for the brake to stop the pulley. Right, so the last step is going to be attaching the spring. So it comes back to its brake position when you release the PTO. All you're going to do is hook it right there and hook it in that hole right there. So now we can put our pulley on, and all you're going to do is push this brake back, drop the pulley in there, and we'll tighten them down here in a minute. We'll do the next one real quick. Right, so same thing over here. We want to push this out, drop it in there. Put your nut. Alright, so before I tighten the spindles down, the nuts down, I want to function test it, make sure that everything looks like it's going to work out right. So just wrap that belt around there and I'm going to pull it. That's PTO engaged, PTO off. PTO engaged, PTO off. Everything looks like it's functioning. Alright, so running the belt, pretty simple, nothing complicated about it. You got a flat part and you got a beat part. Beat part's gonna run through the back, just like this. It's gonna come back around. Flat part's gonna go inside this idler pulley. Pull it up. Slide it back now. This one's gonna come around here into this fixed pulley. Go pull it up. And this goes to your motor right there. So now we'll tighten these two links down. There's good. Now we will install the belt bars.
And I'll go ahead and do this off camera again.
Alright, so that does it for the top of the deck. Next we're going to do the bottom. Install the gator blades I got for this mowing deck. And after that we'll put it back on the tractor and let her rip. Alright, one thing to keep in mind, and I didn't realize this when I was talking about it, but these bars actually have a cutout here to let you access the grease port for easy greasing. And the way I set this one up on this side, I pointed it the wrong way because the opening is right there and my port, my greaser is pointing here. So I'm gonna fix that off camera, of course, and I'm just letting y'all know though, in case y'all do the same error I did. These are the blades we're going to be installing on the mowing deck. Now it's time to install the deck. So what we need to do is get our PTO cable. We got it right here. We're gonna run it underneath all the hardware here and stick it in that hole like that. I'm gonna push the deck in a little, okay? Because I want to get to the bracket right here. Find my hose, look at my cable, pull it back, drop it in there like so. Don't forget to put your cotter pin in. There's a chance I may have installed this bracket backwards, so we're gonna put the belt on next. We're gonna put them through these guides. Drop it down, push the deck all the way back. So you drop your mowing height lever as low as it'll go. Start hanging the mowing deck. What we do is just in here like that and pick it up just a bit. There we go. Take the washer and alright. We get this guide bar right here. Just take it on that stud. Put the washer. The cotter pin. Last but not least, the lifter connection. Just like that. Put your washer on it. Cut it. We're done.